Hello everyone and welcome to this little exciting video. So you are probably about to make your first ever purchase in cryptocurrency. I assume probably this is why you are watching this video. So right now I am on Binance.com, which is the world's biggest marketplace, or one of the world's biggest marketplaces to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So what we are not gonna do is we are not putting bets on how courses will develop. All we do is we invest in crypto, so we exchange currencies in the end. It's just as if you go abroad, and right now, for example, I'm in Mexico, I'm in Playa del Carmen, and if I buy Mexican pesos now, I'm not risking anything other than the Mexican pesos that I buy for, yeah? So this is what I'm gonna teach you here on this channel. So if you have found this video because you want to purchase crypto but you don't know how to, I will walk you through this step by step right now. So right now I'm on Binance.com. If you are from the United States, you should go to Binance.us. You will then have to register an account on Binance. I put the link into the description. It's completely for free. Please use my little reference sign up link that I have in the description. It would really help out this channel. But yeah, I use Binance all the time. It's really like a great place to buy crypto because it also has low fees, etc. So let's get to it. We are on Binance.com and we want to find the menu point where it says buy crypto, and then we are gonna go to credit or debit card. I have made separate videos already on my channel that walk you through how to buy crypto with your cash balance or how to buy crypto with a bank deposit, yeah? So right now we will focus on credit or debit card because it is the easiest, and you're gonna hit credit debit card, and then we will be redirected to the next page on Binance, and this page normally takes quite a while to load. I don't know why, but it is always like this, at least for me. And then we will see quite a self-explaining interface in the end, which will ask us how much money, how much fiat currency, like the actual currency, for me it's euros because I'm from Germany, how much of it we want to spend. Yeah, so let's say we put in let's say 200 euros, and then it will tell us, okay, for 200 euros, we get 0.005717 BTC, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pre-selected there, but wait, what if we don't want to buy Bitcoin, but let's say we want to buy smart chain like BNB, or we want to buy Ethereum or Dogecoin, some other currencies? How does this work? Well, we just click here once, and then we see the list of all the different currencies that Binance has to offer, yeah? So we can just scroll down and see, okay, if we want to buy Tether US, if we want to buy Stellar Lumens, if we want to buy Ethereum Classic, or if we want to buy Dogecoin. So all of this works. Let's say we want to buy Dogecoin, I don't know, Doge to the moon. Let's say we want to buy Dogecoin for 200 euros. That means we would get 516 Doge. Yeah, this is how it works. And then you just put in your credit or debit card details there, and then you hit buy Doge. And it's really as simple as a normal transaction on Amazon or eBay. You literally just pay with your credit or debit card, and then after some minutes, your crypto will be in your wallet. And yes, guys, this works with any coin. You can put in anything here. Obviously, this works only with the coins that are on Binance, that are listed on Binance. I have made numerous separate videos on how to buy smaller, like tokens mainly, like they are called tokens because they don't have their own network, like SAFEMOON or ElonGate, for example. If you want to buy these, then you want to make sure that you purchase BNB. Then you want to purchase Binance. You can see, okay, for 200 euros, we would get 0.48 BNB. Is there a minimum input? Yes, I'm pretty sure it's 15, so like $15 or 15 euros. If it's less than this, I think it's gonna tell me I need to see. And if I put in 10 euros, it says amount should be between 15 and 5,000 euros. So yeah, this is important to note. You can't just put in a euro. This also wouldn't be worth it because of the transaction fees. Anyway, let's put it back to 200. Let's say we want to buy BNB. I'm not actually going to buy it right now because I'm obviously already invested in crypto. I'm just here to show you how it works. But I use Binance all the time, and then you just hit BNB and you pay with your credit or debit card, just like you would on Amazon or eBay. And then after some minutes, you will find your cryptocurrency in your fiat and spot wallet. So just go to wallet, fiat and spot, and then you will find it here on your wallet and now it's loading. My Binance wallet is loading. And what you want to do then is you want to withdraw the cryptocurrency that you just bought to an actual wallet. You don't want to leave it on Binance.com or Binance.us. The reason for this is because it is a lot unsafer there than in your actual wallet, even if it's just on your phone. Why is this? Well, because Binance.com is a marketplace that can get hacked. It's a lot easier to hack, if I can say it like this, than a wallet, for example. So you don't want to leave fiat or cryptocurrency on Binance, just withdraw it. And lucky for you, I made a video on how to do just exactly this, how to withdraw any cryptocurrency from Binance to your actual wallet. But this goes too far now. Once you hit buy, it will take some minutes, and then after some minutes you will find your cryptocurrency that you just bought here in your wallet, and it will be listed here if it's your first ever purchase as the first cryptocurrency here, because it will have the highest balance. Makes sense, right? I don't even know why I have a bit of VeChain right now. Guys, I think VeChain is also a great cryptocurrency to buy at the moment. I think it has a lot of potential personally. But yeah, this is how you buy cryptocurrency on Binance. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I post daily videos, mostly about crypto, occasionally about traveling as well. I'm currently on my mission to visit every country on the planet. So if you want to join me on this little adventure, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.